Invoking God's blessing for economic progress and prosperity of the Chakhesang people and for all of us. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of the government of Nagaland, unveil this template in presence of Honorable MLA Trustee Neichute, Honorable MLA Neichute Doulo, and Chakhesang public leaders on this day, the 29th of November 2021.
Here, former CPO President, members of Board of Trustees, Honorable Minister Neiba Kronu, Minister for Planning and Coordination, then Revenue and Parliamentary Affairs. From Korea, he present my people. Chakhesang Speaking Union Korea Karachi City no High History for the Sam Lano Linino Harher Haki Mo Genia just generally financial contribution Baushe Uko MLA Minister Halibimo Ale his Chigovo Kori Mo office work Mo Ha Ulisumono Chakhesang Community Church
brief concept Theja Therieh convener more brief report. Neichute Doulo, Honorable Chakhesang this is
Honorable Chairman, Honorable Minister, MLA, CPO President, colleagues, and come on, what for time you want to go? If you address the matter there, and let's see, the best no Mazaho, Wonder, she is a person of the Central Court. 타이바우시 오고 마켓 그 이나시 미제포 그만가이 오고 이코노미 마켓 저절로 오 하디노 미즈가마자 파자 LC 하고저히 오고 시빌 서비스 콜레 미포에노 다이렉트 스스로도 티기 스스로 오고 IPS 거 스페셜리스트 토마치 오 핑거 부스 피기 메시지스 바조도
所以我们人类我们给人们我们这个是呢那都么啥我那个 minister 马上就是一帮助的如果这地方是这他一的这是的2008的 dismantle 这呢我去把这我加上你就说那个人类的不这么久그래서 저들이 세 찍어서 그 번호 락 패턴나 세 그거 제이지 저 뭐데 the ground floor foundation TZ water reservoir T. Ile Dimapur la base kono trouble mudo vele mikro muda ve. Vele ground floor to the last kono me to sleputi. This is water reservoir T.
Russia kada bada kete kon so da la ko le zo Russia le 谢谢你，看了我们来。police authority. This is SPO Moila. Sao CPO President. Sao CPO President ni kakine. Ito tulodo po.
cái thẻ ra thì mà mới cái này là làm thị trường sao lại thị trường cái có cái công lo chia sẻ cái bao nhiêu mô convener Theja Therieh mô của team members đó thì chỉ hi biến kamata he Mandira hotel chứ nơi chết church của Hima 초토 보시즈 제즈레 우크르타미코노 ngo메타 즐비다 뭐 페미틀렌드 아체 페제 지히키 포추리고 즈베 에 포추리 바프티스 서시그바 피티즈고 즈리
에로카가 놓고 저스그바 그 포르너 프레시던트 CPO 그러니까 어스 능서 workshop에서 local minister Neiba Kronu, Honorable Dr. Trustee Neichute Doulo.
Mr. Chairman, my friend Kongolo, 그 자가삼이 뚜땀이고 웃고 울쁘고 friends, oko address 팀원어 가비언어 히사시시에 후모수 밑에 줄레시 address Jesus know, if I don't know you, if you don't know me, then introduction by you. It's a continent. We le cover pebbles at the level root other. All over the world. So, you know, German here, address Tivano, German, France, ladies and gentlemen. Here no meeting, new policies is Pomosa Ogon Utamamu. Oh, my wheat is a pozo, he says, I just a lumos, oh, my what a pomoso. Where's the time? Introduction to what they did a year, them some mini penguin, it is coming to almost 1 hour. 뭐 차가삼이 빼래 나가미노 거기 빼래 to outside world that we are doing this 뭐이 지히 나가미 가이드 티가도 되거들래 okay we have to take our people into the right direction. Here, Ogon Nagami, 得自己本身，我可以自己立不提模式的。In the field of industry, 我跟说的 IT industries 是不是？我们每个家庭都不对的。But from before, we were farmers. 我是说，我们一点都不会混的。大家到一些，我地不提吧，就是 I'm a government employee in government country 嘞，我是 in diplomat 嘞，是咱们面是哦，听得懂？哎嘞。If I say I'm a farmer, in the village, you know, oh, you must be thinking rich. So what's the reason? You tell me what here. 不过都不见 ，market 一突破。我个人那美国怎么的？没人那美国 discourage 去的。That we are seeing. Govt realty guest house 是比这些什么谁的都是对的，是不是？有的时候我你不知道怎么就不知道，哦，那就是。不过一个嘛，了不得嘞，也许呢就是我嘛好。우리 모습은 특히 오고 나 본고서 비해서 특히 priorities가 오만 주도세. LCC, if there's any other space available, 就是名字 coordinate の紙这些还好么东西吧？你心里，你说是我投票软体模式吧
？Today we have brief function, inauguration of Zanibou Organic Market. This building is Chakhesang Community Building. We propose that this building should be a community building, and this should be our legacy building of Chakhesang as a community. And this will bring our people together, not only socially but through our economic and other activities in and around this building. Here in the market, we are not just confining to Chakhesang as a community, but we are including all other communities who are willing to come and sell their product. Zanibou being the longest mountain range in Nagaland, and it connects from the rural to the urban areas. The Zanibou mountain range connect with the Patkai range. So it signifies and it connects the rural and urban. We want this connection to be a supply chain from the rural product and to market in the urban areas. So we have opened a small market which will be a daily market, and we will try to promote the organic product. As far as possible, we will not allow any other product excepting the organic product, and that is also locally available in and around Dimapur. At the same time, we want to encourage the vegetables and food products from our district, especially Peg district, and we are working towards that. This is just an experimental. We have just started. We will have to go a long way. We want participation. At the same time, we want encouragement from all our Naga communities here and around in Dimapur. And we will love to see our Naga brothers and sisters from everywhere coming and do shopping here and get their product of their choice, that according to their choice. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Well, it has been a process, but it has taken few years for us to crystallize to come up with an organic market called Zanibou. As Theja mentioned earlier, Zanibou is a significant watershed for Nagaland state. All the streams and rivers east of Zanibou falls to
Irrawaddy River in Myanmar, and all the streams west of Zanibou watershed goes to Brahmaputra and flows to Bay of Bengal. We want this to signify the way we define our food habits and the way we define livelihoods. We want to give opportunities to at least 150 women street vendors in dignified way of selling their produces. There are a number of market complexes in Nagaland, especially in Dimapur and Kohima. The names are Naga names, but we don't see Naga faces. Sadly, our own women have become fugitives in our urban areas. They are kicked around, they are chased away by our municipal volunteers for vending their vegetables on the streets. We hope here in Chakhesang Zanibou Marketing Complex, Chakhesang building, we hope they get dignity. We have good toilets made for them. We will provide good water drinking facilities. We will give them dignity, and I hope through them our people will have access to organic food products. So it has been few years since we have been thinking, but during the last 3-4 years, we decided that instead of giving the commercial space for retailers and shopkeepers, we would invest on it for our women street vendors, and we hope these 150 women who will be vending vegetables here will be able to provide education for their children, and we have a better standard of living, and will be able to encourage our farmers to find market here in Dimapur.